All right, guys, 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 V10 stick shift, all the way from Michigan, guys. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very quiet. We don't like it. Way too quiet. Here's the sound decibels. You can see it's choking. All right, we're gonna do a muffler delete and a high flow cat. I'll let you guys see what it looks like before. Again. So we showed you what it sounded like before stock. Ram 2500 V10. This is what we got done on it. So it's got two factory converters on it. It's true dual into two factory converters there. The manifolds are up there, one there and one there. They're all factory. There's the two cats factory. Then we wired it into a, it usually comes with this massive muffler right there. It's a dual in, single out right there. We cut it off and put a Y pipe in its place, as you guys can see right there. And continued into his tailpipe. And then added the massive 5-inch angle cut tip to complete the look. Came out absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, there's the muffler right there. Dual in, single out, massive muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oh, babe. Much better. Here's sound decibels. 160. Again. So much better. And it's a 6-speed. Go ahead and back it out. I love standard transmissions. They make exhaust sound so good. No rev limiter crap. Oh, it sounds so good. Much better. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 2500 V10 muffler delete and 5-inch tip. All the way from Michigan. Much better. Enjoy, guys.